Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Vade. I would like to give you a brief video lesson on what we studied in class and what you missed in class during our writing period. The title of this lesson is Elaborating by Expressing Feeling in Narrative. I want you to learn to elaborate. I don't think it's fair if I just tell you to elaborate and write more. I think it's important that I, as your teacher, give you strategies to do that. So, as a result, I hope that this lesson gives you some strategies on how to add more or elaborate and expand upon your writing. The title is called Elaborating by Expressing Feeling in a Narrative because during this writing project, you're often finding yourself writing either stories or just, writing moments from your life, and you're almost in a way telling a story through all of this that you're writing. And I feel that in order to add more to your story, there's something that I can teach you here. As humans, we have the ability to feel and express feelings. I know you wouldn't argue with that. Animals also feel, and they express their feelings. They do it in a different way. Naturally, as humans, and here's a picture of a brain with arrows pointing out of it, just to show you that naturally as humans, we, just because we're humans, have this ability to feel. We also have the ability to explain why we feel the way that we feel. And in addition to that, we have this natural ability to express a want, something that we want to. For us, we ask questions or make a request. A cat would meow, for example. And we also, as humans, have this special ability that not all mammals or living organisms have, and that is to be able to see into the future and be able to try to plan something. And in this case, stating what we will do. I feel this way because I want and I will are all thoughts that you could add into your writing in order to expand or elaborate on it. Again, the human brain. I feel this way because I want and I will. You can use these thoughts or these ideas here to add more to your writing. And I'll give you an example. I'm going to take a look at this project, and I am going to look at the letter B. What bothers you more than anything and why? And I'm going to not just explain what bothers me and why it bothers me, I'm also going to explain to you how I feel, why I feel that way, what I want, and what I'm going to do or what I will do. Watch. B for bother. What bothers me is when someone distracts my learning in class. I feel irritated, and I feel this way because I think distracting someone else's learning is very selfish. A classmate who does this usually wants to talk about him or herself, or make a funny joke, or play around while the teacher is teaching or while we are having a group conversation. Not only is this student not learning, but he or she is taking away from my learning, and that to me makes the distraction selfish. Because even if the student doesn't care if he or she learns, I'm also not learning as well. I want teachers to make a big deal out of this and tell those students to stop. One time while working in a group, one of my partners, also my friend, was acting silly, being lazy, and talking about things that weren't relevant to social studies. I told the teacher, and he understood and tried to help us out. I will make sure that I advocate for myself because it's my learning. So, not only did I write about what bothers me and why, I took time to expand upon that. You can see, even without these cues or these thoughts here, I still was able to really add a lot of detail to my thought. Explaining, how I feel that this is selfish. I even gave a story about what took place in social studies. But I centered it all around this. What I feel. As humans, remember, you have feelings. You can feel those. And you can explain why you feel that way a lot of the time. And you can explain what you want and what you plan to do. So, as you write letters for this project, I'd like you to keep this in mind and refer to this. I feel this way because, I want, and I will. I do have another video lesson for you, and I would ask for you to consider watching that one as well. That one is another elaboration lesson, and it's elaborating by giving reasons, facts, and details. Until then, I'll see you later.